You are coming to Rhodes, you are excited, you have your plane tickets, you have your hotel. So what happens after you arrive at Diagoras airport? So in this video we will break it down what happens, because there are two types of people. One group of people who booked everything themselves, they have chosen their own hotel, how to get there and so on. If you don't have yet, go to looneytravels.com so you can find my hand-picked hotel selection. So I made the hard part for you. And the second group of people are people who booked everything with a package deal, so they have probably a group transfer, which I talk about later. But let's talk about the first group who booked themselves. You landed, you took your luggage, you exited security, and the first thing you see is people waiting with name signs. These are the guys who are transfer guys. So if you book the private transfer to your hotel, then there you can find your name. So it's an easy pickup and straight to the hotel. If you're staying in Lardos, Lindos, Pevkos, Kiotari or Gennadi, transfer is the best option because it's the fastest. Sometimes it's the cheapest way, and you don't have to worry about your luggage, and you have a comfortable way to reach your hotel, because most of the taxis in Rhodos Diagoras airport are usually sedans, Mercedes sedans. So if you have more luggage, it just doesn't fit. So maybe sometimes you have to take two taxis, which is twice the cost. So if you're staying in these hotels in South Rhodes, then book a private transfer. It's the best option. If you need a local recommendation, go to my website looneytravels.com and you can see everything there. The second option is to rent a car. If you want to rent a car at the airport, there are many options about car rentals. So I suggest booking car before you arrive, because you get better deals. There are availability, so you can choose what you want. So book your car today. If you need some help choosing the local car company, then you can also visit looneytravels.com, where I recommend only few of the best car rentals on the island that doesn't require deposit, and it's easy to pick up, return, and they don't go with the loop to check for scratches or something like that. The third option is to take a bus. There is a bus station right outside Rhodos Diagoras airport. So you step outside, on the left side there is a bus station, and buses come every 45 minutes during the season. And the ticket costs around €3. If you want to see the bus schedule, go to Looney Travels. I made a very easy overview when the buses come, where they go, and how much they cost. So this is the easiest way for you to see the bus schedule if you're interested paying less and traveling budget. Final option is to take a taxi. There is a taxi queue in front of the airport, and there are plenty of taxis. But I really recommend taking taxi if you want to go to Rhodos town, Faliraki or nearby. So this is the fastest and easiest way to go there. It usually costs around 28 to 30 euros to go to Rhodos town. Why I suggested transfer to South Rhodes hotels? Because many of the taxi drivers don't want to drive so far, because they make the most money driving between airport and Rhodos town. And if you have two people or more luggage, then it just doesn't fit. So half of your luggage is outside of the trunk while they drive. So when you go in South Rhodes, make sure you book a private transfer price is mostly the same. You have much more comfortable drive to hotels and you don't have to stress out. So fourth option is taxis. There are plenty of taxis, but you have to take the first taxi. So usually the traffic jam comes from people who come from UK. So everyone wants to take a taxi, so you probably have to wait before the first taxi leaves. So you can get your own taxi. It's organized and pretty good. Just keep in mind that if you're traveling 2 people or more, you want to take a taxi transfer, sorry. It's more comfortable to you. But now let's take a look at people who come with a travel package. When you step outside the security area, the first thing you see are the guys with the name signs with the private transfer. But you also see travel like airport guides who hold a sign with your plane name on it. So first thing you want to do, they send people to the desk, which is right there. If you're using TUI or Jet2 holidays, then you probably have to go outside the airport and turn right where they have all the tables there to check in that you did arrive to Rhodes. They give you some kind of information and vouchers when the hotel guide is coming to visit you to sell you some packages and everything like that. If you didn't use these 2 big travel companies, then you probably have to go to the left after security to find the right table. The process is the same, where they say where is the big bus waiting, which is the number on the front screen. So you go outside and on the right side there is a big bus parking lot where you can find your group transfer bus. I worked as a hotel guide, so I had to spend some time also in airport to welcome people and did the whole process with them. The one thing you have to keep in mind with group transfers is that mostly the big buses are making many stops, and if your hotel is in South Rhodes, it sometimes takes up to 2 hours or more to reach in your hotel in South Rhodes. So you may want to switch to private transfer as well, because nobody likes to wait, and the bus is not leaving until everyone from that plane is on the bus. So when I worked as a hotel guide, there were many times where all the people were already inside the bus except one person. The one person who didn't say that he's taking the taxi or something like that, so we were running around calling him, where are you? He didn't pick up, so everyone on the bus were waiting for him, and the bus doesn't leave until a certain amount of time has passed. Usually it's like 30 minutes, so everyone is waiting. And then the journey starts when people don't show up or they tell that they took a taxi or something like that. So with the group transfer, the whole trip can take 2 hours or even 2.5 hours to reach your hotel, just because you have to wait for everyone and the bus is making a lot of stops. But the other options are also there, taxi, car rental and buses. If you come with a group transfer, please let these people know that you took a taxi or transfer. Otherwise, they are just waiting for you and whole bus is waiting for you. 50 people, they get nervous when the bus is moving and so on. So please let them know. These are the 4 options. I recommend transfers because it may cost like 10 euros more, but you have so much less stress and also you get to your hotel quickly. Other option is car rental, which is quite nearby, good prices, no deposit, easy booking options. So if you need help with private transfers or car rental, then I have some local recommendations on my website. Go check it out, and all the links are also below this video. These are the companies I trust. They make a good work. They give good prices for Looney Travels viewers. So go and check it out. Also, bus is a great option, but keep in mind that bus takes around 45 minutes to reach to Rhodos town, and it's usually full of people, so there are not much room, but at least it's a cheap option. And fourth option, taxis, but keep in mind your luggage is outside the trunk, which was really weird for me for the first time seeing that my luggage is hanging out the trunk. So I was stressing out the whole way if my luggage is still be there when I reach the destination or not. So these are the options. If you need anything, just drop a comment. I will give a precise answer to you. As I have many comments, I maybe not see it, so send me a private message on my social media where I see it right away. So otherwise, I really want you to have the best vacation possible here in Rhodes. So if you have any questions about this island, then this year I put together about 500 pages of answers, everything related to Rhodes, where to go, what to see, what boat trips, apartments, villas, hotels, whatever you need. Everything is on my website, looneytravels.com. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I do my best to answer everyone. If you found this video helpful, then you also want to see this next video that helps you plan your Rhodes trip and make it the best out of it. So see you in Rhodos.